to create a bug, what a fintech trends next. Just a fintech startup or VC side. All my dizzy every time. Around that I wanna fight, I wanna know. All around fintech which I go, you can find your answers here.
Hello guys, we are with Yusif from the Banking Circle. Nowadays we know more about this company, the trends which they met, what they bring to their customers. And please briefly about your company, what you focus, what the type of clients you prefer.
That's a great question. Glad to be here and glad to be invited for this this short interview here that we got in Money 2020 in Vegas, 2022 in October. So Banking Circle, as you can tell, we're providing banking services across the world for a large number of fintechs and banks across the world. We provide them with safeguarded bank accounts, multi-currency solutions, FX, and then we have a host of other companies in the group as well that does other things as well, just to provide a financial ecosystem for the future of financial institutions and banks.
And what's the ideal portrait of your clients nowadays?
Nowadays, we're seeing like the traction was in the early days. It was more the fast-moving fintechs that were scaling across the world. Now we're also seeing more and more the traditional players like the banks. We're providing the services for them as well when it comes to correspondent banking, for instance. And then you see other industries also stepping into this game, like corporate service providers, also crypto exchanges, and a lot of other verticals that we haven't maybe thought of in the early days, but they're now getting on also to the platform, which is great.
What make the 3 points which make your company so brilliant, cool for customers?
Whenever you start about anything that's great, it always starts with people first. Not only people that works in Banking Circle, but also the people that we encounter and work with and partner with. That's the most important thing because that drives ultimately what we do in the second leg of phase, which is the platform, which is unique to itself because it's one single platform with one API to provide all of these currencies globally, just one API. And thirdly, which I think is also something where it's key here, Money 2020 this year has been more than ever about partnerships. And that's the third leg. So if you look at what we're doing, it's only on the requests of the partners we have on the platform. And we're co-developing this together with them. And that's what really excites us for the future.
And what's the next step of your future company? What's the main expand markets you want to grow up, or what you want new to bring to your clients?
We want to bring and be top of mind when it comes to providing them currencies across the world, really unifying the financial infrastructure when it comes to currencies globally. And as we're in the US, you can imagine what the biggest market when it comes to currencies is. It's USD. And whatever you see here and what we talk about, it's still going to be the main currencies that we focus on. Not saying that we shouldn't do other ones, like stablecoins, for instance, which is also a currency.
I agree. Okay, interesting. And what is thinking about? What's the next step of future payments? It's fiat or crypto?
As you can always tell, I like to use the analogy both. It's a customer preference, and they will ultimately decide. It's for the partners and the networks to provide both.
And if you're not secret, what's the real secret of your success nowadays of your company?
I got to go back to the fundamental principle of people. That's still what drives us, what makes this unique. Behind us, you see a great booth. The people that are still here, they're passionate. We're just wrapping up. You're seeing it's quieting down. It's the last hours of the events. We're still here.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
And thank you for your company, because it's a real good company, which we work in partner to generate some clients. And it's a pleasure for you banking and service options, safeguard accounts, which you have. It's very cool. Thank you for having such company. Thank you for your time.
Thank you for being here. See you next year.
To create a bug, what a fintech trends next. Just a fintech startup or VC side. All my dizzy every time. Around that I wanna fight, I wanna know. All around fintech which I go, you can find your answers here.